We are EK3/2. Today we will take you on a journey to explore space in this show. Are you ready? Yes, we are ready.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Oh, we have arrived on Earth. It took a very long time to get here. Wow, the Earth is very beautiful.
Yes, and very amazing.
I have never seen it before. Today we have asked the humans to dance with us. We will make them happy. We will give them healthy bodies. If you are ready, we can go now. Let's go!